Ready? Let's see. Go. Wow! Whoa, coming lava! Hi guys, I'm Hanin. Today I will show you fun experiment. But before that, we must protect ourselves. I wear safety goggles. And you can wear gloves if you need. Let's start. Wait, I forgot to tie my hair back. Well, I'm ready now. In this experiment, we use eyedropper tool. This tool is used to measure and transport a small amount of liquid. I use test tube, measuring spoon, and funnel. And we need sodium carbonate and red food coloring, soap, and vinegar. Ready? First, I put 2 spoons of sodium carbonate in test tube. One spoon, 2 spoons. Then I add a few drops of food coloring. Okay. Okay, that's enough. Then let's put it to vinegar. So look at that red color. And then we put in the soap. I add few drops of soap. Okay, put it to the vinegar. Mix, agitate red. Finally, I will add few drops of this mixture to the test tube. Okay. Another time. Okay, that's enough, I think. Put it one more. Go. Okay. I think that's enough. Okay, gonna pour it. Oh no, it's coming up. Huh? Wow, look at that bubble. Whoa, what happened? Wow. Whoa, ooh, the bubble's getting bigger. Wow. Look, the bubble's going down. For more fun, we can use model of volcano. I made it from clay. Okay, repeat the same steps with a large amount. Okay, gonna put it all. Okay. For bigger effect, I add red glitter. Okay, we're gonna pour it. Should I pour it all? Then I put this mixture. Are you ready? Let's see. Go, 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 go. Wow. Whoa, coming lava. Lava's coming. It looks good. Like there's some glitter here. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to wash your hands and enjoy your science. Bye.
Don't touch your eyes.
Don't worry, Mom. I am a scientist. I will sure not. Let's put some more. You have to be careful. I think that's too much.